What's up, y'all, and thanks for tuning in to another episode of Cooking with FoodPRO. Today we're going to do a honey soy roasted Cornish hen, and we'll serve that with an Asian cabbage salad. Star of this month's show is FoodPRO item number 15589, which is a Cornish hen half from Purdue. These things come frozen. They're individually wrapped, which is cool. You can pull out as many as you want. It's about an 11-ounce portion. With today's menus, you see chicken on there a lot, and I thought maybe a Cornish hen featured on the menu would be a little bit more appealing to your customers. So let's get started. Alright, we'll start by making our marinade. Now this all can be done ahead of time prior to service. What I have here is 3 tablespoons of garlic, a tablespoon of chopped ginger, and a tablespoon of crushed red pepper. I'm going to throw this all in my handy dandy food processor. Got 1.5 cups of soy sauce. One and a half cups of honey. 1/3 cup of orange juice. And I'm just going to start this. 1/3 cup of blended oil. And that'll be our honey soy marinade. Alright, and now that the marinade's done, I'm going to do just a little fabricating on the Cornish hen prior to marinating. This is going to help with presentation. You can do this with all poultry, and you'll see after we're done, but what I'm going to do is I'm going to take the leg and the knob on the tip of that bone, and I'm going to shore it off. And then I'm going to take the second joint and the tip of this wing, and shore this off at the knob. And what that's going to do for us is this roast, this skin will pull back and expose the bone and make for a nicer presentation. And I'll take that and put it in a container. And marinate it with my honey soy marinade. And that should marinate at least for 3 hours, but it's probably better if you do this overnight. And then we'll just let that marinate for a little bit, and then we'll roast her off. All right, now it's been about 3 hours now spent in the marinade. Just pull it out here and put it in 350-degree oven for about 20 minutes. All right, now that this is rested, I want to get it ready for presentation. Alright, so like I said, this is a Cornish hen half. They still have the rib cage intact here, so I'm going to remove these bones for presentation, make it easier for the guests to enjoy. And once it's roasted, all I got to do is slide my fingers underneath here and gently remove the rib cage. Then I'm going to remove the bone that comes down in an L from this drummy. Should just twist out of there. And then there's another bone in here. It attaches to the leg. Twist this out again. And what we're left with is a half of a Cornish hen with 2 bones in it. And then we'll separate the breast from the thigh, cutting on a diagonal here. And I'll place the breast portion over the thigh portion. Kind of cross these bones together. And we have a nice little presentation for the plate. So this, like I said, this can all be done before service. Remove the bones and everything and refrigerate this, of course. And then when you get an order, you pull it out, put it on the sizzle platter just to warm it up, and then we can serve our salad. While that's heating up, I'm going to go ahead and make our salad portion of the plate. This is just coleslaw mix. Got some fresh cilantro leaves, some mandarin orange segments, and some cashews that I've toasted, chopped up, give it a little crunch. And then I'm going to use Ken's sesame, mandarin orange, ginger dressing. Give it all a little toss. And I'm going to take some Bibb lettuce leaves to garnish. Put our cabbage salad. Now I use some of this dressing for the chicken as well. Just a little pool on the plate. And voila! Honey soy glazed Cornish hen with an Asian cabbage salad. Thanks for cooking with FoodPRO.